Hi. You coming to get your toy? Or you coming to Mama? Which one? Hello. Come on. Come on. Whoa. Are you coming over here? Yes. Say hello, Mama. Uh-oh. What do you see? You're passing me by. Where are you going? Uh-oh. That's off limits, mister. That's off limits. You see, we don't pay attention to anything Mama says. That is mine. That's not for Max. Oh, that's Mama's book. That's not for Max either. Can I have that back, please? Thank you. Where to? Hey. Oh. Hi. Whoa, Mr. Expert. Whoa, are we standing? Okay, no, that's Mama's too. Okay, say bye-bye before we baby-proof. Bye.